Hey everyone, so today I will be doing a hairstyle video. This is my first hairstyle video, and I show you 4 to 5 ways that you can style your sew-in weave. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy it. Now let's get right on to the video. With Lysz. Okay, so here is my hair. It's a sew-in with an invisible part and a closure at the top. This is just coming out of a style, so it's very dry and frizzy, and it doesn't have any tame to it. It's not brushed or anything. So I'm going to show you a couple ways how you can style your sew-in hair without being a lace front or a 360 lace front. So the first thing you want to do is, I have this Cantu for natural hair coconut shine and hold mist, but this actually works really well with the sew-in. So you can see it here. And I just spray this and brush at the same time, because just as you do with your normal hair, you need to moisturize and then brush. Like if you wet it, it'll be easier. So, and this gives it some tame too. So I just spray it and kind of rub down at the same time. It'll run, but I just rub it to make it faster. And you really want to get the ends, especially if you've gotten it wet. Like I went into the pool and it kind of fluffed up the ends and damaged them a little bit, so you really want to get the ends. You treat this hair just like your normal real hair. Now that I have all the hair sprayed, it tames it just a bit, and we can go ahead and start brushing from the ends all the way to the top. And as you can see, I also applied some spray to my part, because once your hair starts getting old and dirty and all this spray is collecting, you're going to start seeing some dandruff, so you need to keep this moisturized as well. Okay, now that all of my hair is sprayed and brushed out, you can see that it's very tame now. It's no longer tangled. I can run my fingers through it, and it's very relaxed and smooth. So, in this video I will not be applying heat. These are heatless styles. And if you have 100% human hair or a 100% human hair blend, which is a blend of synthetic and human hair, you can put heat to your hair. So you can curl it or straighten it. How do you know if your hair is 100% human? On your packaging, it will tell you if it is, and when you go to your beauty supply store, you can always ask the worker if it is a blend or if it is 100% human. Most of the time when you have Venezuelan or Malaysian or Brazilian hair, it will be 100% human, and sometimes it will be virgin hair, which means that no dyes or any chemicals have been applied to it. You're also going to need some bobby pins for these styles. I have all kinds of bobby pins here. It actually does not matter which kinds that you use. The first style I'm going to show you is a braid. We're going to braid one side of the hair and braid the other side of the hair and tie it around the back. So you just want to take a chunk, and it's all brushed out already. And you want to separate that into 3 equal strands. Like so. And if you don't know how to braid, you're going to place the first strand over the top of the middle strand. And you want to make sure you're pulling all the way up to the root. And then you're going to place the last strand over the middle strand and pull, and repeat this process. Pull. Leave just a little out so that you can blend it with the rest of the style. So we have a side braid here, and we're just going to take a single bobby pin and pin the back of the braid to our head here. There's the first style. You can curl the tips if you want. And if you have 2 braids, you want to kind of try and meet them in the middle, in the back. Make sure you smooth out the top of your head first. Just apply another bobby pin. And there you have it. So you can braid all of your hair and you'll get this voluminous crinkle. And if you wet your hair more, the more it will be crinkly and voluminous. And that's also a style that you can do. Our next style is going to be a single braid with, I guess you can say, a side part or a side pony. So what you want to do is braid down or twist down your hair, which would be called a flat twist or a French braid. So for a flat twist, you'll need 2 strands of hair. 1, 2. You'll take the first strand and you will pull it under the second strand as you pick up hair with the second strand. And here we have our side twist going around the back, and we're just going to take a bobby pin and place it on the end. And if you want, you can always curl this so that it'll be nice and flowy, or you can braid it down and wet it so that it'll be natural and like crinkly. So style number 5 is the last one, and we're going to leave this side part in, and we're going to leave it off to the side, but now we're going to use a braid and pin it around the back. We're going to use that 3-strand twist method again. And we're going to do the same thing as we did before and swing it around the back. You can either pin it straight across or roll it around in a circle if you like. So when you bring it across, you're going to want to tuck it under so it camouflages, and pin it under. So now, here's a style. You get the best of both worlds. A twist on this side, a braid on this side, and we have it pinned. It's pinned in the back. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want more videos like this, please click the link down below to subscribe, and also hit the notification bell because I will not come up in your subscription box if you don't. Also, give it a big thumbs up if you liked it, and all my social media accounts are down in the description box all the time. Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, basically everything. And if you want to follow me on those, you can. Just hit those links. Leave a comment if you want to ask me some questions or request a video. And last but not least, thank you so much for watching.